so we're gonna click on to Play Store, and then we're going to search Trust Wallet, which I already did when I was making some demo work before I do it, because I like to prepare myself so that I can make sure that I bring you guys some good videos, right? So guys, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for watching again, and I really do appreciate you supporting the channel. I hope you are getting some value on these videos that I keep on posting. So let's go in with our video. So we're going to click on Trust Wallet. So there it is right there on the left side. So we're going to click on it. So we're going to install it. So it's going to take some time to install so that we can start to sign up with it. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this wallet, because you can store any crypto in it. You can even stake on this wallet. You can even trade Binance in it. You can trade on Binance through this wallet, So this wallet is gonna come in very handy. So we're going to open it. All right, so it's going to tell me that it's private and secure. Private keys never leave your device, right? So we're going to create a new wallet. So okay, let's create a new wallet. Please review the Trust Wallet terms and service and private policies. So I already read those, so I'm going to click on to here. Then we're going to go into continue. Please back up your wallet now. In the next step, you will see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. So I already have a pen and a paper next to me so that I can put these on, right? Because this says, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So this means if you lose these words that they're going to give me right now, I am going to lose this wallet. So everything that's on that wallet, I might never be able to get it back, other than getting those words I am going to write down once I checked this box, and then continue. So we're going to check this, and then we're going to continue. So I got my words right now. All right, gonna put them down. Right, so it's done. I started doing it, and then it's correct. So I'm going to go over, then I'm going to say done, right? Your wallet was successfully created, right? So I have created my wallet right now. So it's there it is. So we're gonna say done. So it says push notification to stay up to date, unable to receive notification for incoming and outgoing transaction. So that's not it, that's not important. So I'm just gonna enable it for now. right? So these are the coins that are on this wallet, right? So you can buy, you can receive, you can you can do a lot, right? So these are the tokens. So there's finance, right? And there's collectibles. Okay, so once I have collected all of those, so we're going to come and see through these and see. So there are a lot of tokens here. There's Pancake Swap, there's a lot NFT, right? There's a whole lot of tokens. You can Uniswap exchange. There's a lot. So guys, that's it with this Trust wallet. That's how you actually open it. So please guys, if you have any questions, you can just drop them on the description box. I will leave a link for this Trust wallet at the end of the on the description below. So you can just go on to there and then just click on it and then start downloading this app on your phone. Actually, this is definitely on your phone. You can just do the trading on the go wherever you go with this. So I'm just going to put in some my Bitcoin onto here and my BNBs and all of that, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Ciao.